Welcome to my channel.
Hi, good morning. It's winter in Japan. And you know what, guys? I'm living in Chiba, but while waiting sa train, I don't need to go to the tourist spots because even here I can see Tokyo Skytree and Mount Fuji. Okay, I'm gonna take a video. Tara! Diba? Sakpan. Tokyo Skytree for the go. Oh, jang. Pero dyan na ako nakita like closer ang Mount Fuji katong yun to be because it's cloudy. So lesson learned: before you visit Mount Fuji, you better check first the weather a day before and better book a car or whatsoever a day before dyan na, guys. Kaya ang weather important kay if it's cloudy wala dyan may makita ang Mount Fuji. Hi guys, so now I'm going home after working for 8 hours and I'm walking around like Tokyo Bay area. So most of my schools that I work with na siya sa shopping center nga nagatubang sa mga bay diri sa Tokyo. And this is just one of the man-made island, guys, and then surrounded by tower mansions, so fancy gini siya nga place. And I'm gonna share if it's Saturday nani ang set up like ningaw gid siya unlike sa weekdays. So usually there are many izakayas around this area, so sometimes family or co-workers in daytime they eat around here, and also unsa pa man basta malipay rin ko basta sa Saturday kay dili daghan ang tao sa train. Pero kami rin gani kuya na naudiri na siya basta weekend like Saturday or Sunday. So here in Tokyo you would expect that you will always go down sa mga sabon, like literally like usahay maabot yung kalaw mo no mag 4th level, diba? Pero for the go. So now we're tapping our Suica card. Yes yo, and we will go to platform 1 na siya, guys. So, wala dyan tao. Like, manang malipay dyan ko ba sa weekend dali. Kaya kung weekdays, kay lubaan nagdagan ng mayads. You can see literally na diligid puno ang train basta weekend. Ano siya, guys. Ano siya ang Tokyo. Diba?
Thank you for watching.